Right now in Maryland, it's 67 degrees, cloudy. Feels like 67 degrees. Wind, 1 mile per hour. Visibility, 1 mile. Barometer, 30.1 inch. Humidity, 98%. And dew point, 64 degrees. So let's go over to the Doppler radar. Temperatures are showing green, temperatures are showing yellow and orange. Orange represents it's 50, which is very hot, and then green one's showing 30. So right now it's changing colors. So they changing colors from green, yellow, and orange. Watch this. Green, orange, and yellow, which is in Maryland and Delaware. So let's break it down. Yellow is showing very hot, but it's warm outside. Warm outside, it's very hot, but it's not going to be hot because it's almost fall. So like I said, so it's warm outside today. So radar observation. And a little bit on the radar observation right in Maryland is showing it's very little quiet, but showing right here, right next to Delaware, is showing rain a little bit. And the rest of the United States, it's very empty and quiet. But you can see the rain in New York and a little bit in Pennsylvania. So like I said, Maryland's showing a little bit of rain, not in Essex County and Harford County and Baltimore County, but it's showing way down Maryland. And even Delaware is showing a little bit of rain. Now we're on to the precipitation. Precipitation is heading towards Tennessee and it's approaching to Kentucky. And it's approaching to a little bit of Virginia. So in North Carolina is approaching towards here. So and a little bit of precipitation showing Virginia. And as you can see in the precipitation, the green one and the yellow one showing approaching towards Indiana, Illinois. And a little bit in Maryland way down. It's almost approaching to Essex County and Harford County. And it's heading towards New York, Pennsylvania. So Virginia's moving, Indiana's moving towards and pushing. So like I said, precipitation is pushing through on the eastbound side. And on the eastbound side, which is on the precipitation, as you can see, it's approaching on the northeast side. Northeast side towards the east coast. So Illinois is pushing through. It's going to be gone if the precipitation is approaching towards on the eastbound side. So like I said, precipitation is approaching to Indiana. Precipitation is approaching to Kentucky, Tennessee, Virginia, and North Carolina. And a little bit in Maryland and Delaware. And even in New York, Pennsylvania. Satellite. Satellite is approaching on the northeast side. So Tennessee is moving. Illinois is moving. Michigan's moving. New York City is moving. And in Maryland, it's not a little bit, but it's not a lot of the Maryland and Delaware, but Maryland and Delaware is showing it's very empty and quiet, and even Virginia and West Virginia as well. Kentucky a little bit on the white stuff. Ohio a little bit on the white stuff as well. Even Indiana, Kentucky, Rhode Island showing it's very empty and quiet. But in New Hampshire, it's approaching towards the white stuff and the satellite. So 67 degrees cloudy, so it's going to be cloudy outside in Maryland. So clouds are moving in Maryland, Delaware, Kentucky, Indiana, Illinois, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, West Virginia, Pennsylvania, New York. So clouds are moving on the northeast side. So let's break it down. Maryland's moving. Delaware is moving. So where you live in Maryland, clouds are moving since it's cloudy outside. All right. So there are a bunch of clouds. So, rest of the Maryland's where you live. Owens Mills, 65. Prairie Hall, 67. Prairieville, 68. Pikeville, 66. Port Deposit, 68. Aberdeen, 67. Aberdeen Proving Ground showing the exact same thing. Abingdon, 67. Annapolis, 68. Arbutus, Baltimore showing the same thing. Bel Air, 67. Catonsville, same thing. Charlestown back to 68. Chesapeake City, 68. Churchville, 67. Chestertown, 68. Conowingo, 68. Darlington, same thing. Dundalk, same thing. Easton, 67. Edgewood, 67. Elbridge, same thing. Elgin City, 66. Essex, 68. Fairleigh, 68. Falston, 67. Forest Hill, 67. Frederick, 64. Glen Burnie, 68. Hagerstown, 62. Happy Grace, 67. Jarrettsville, 67. Jesup, 66. Jobbertown, 67. Kingsville, 67. Northeast, 67. Randallstown, 65. But on the 70s, we're on Ocean City. Queenstown, 68. Rising Sun, 67. Reisterstown, 65. Riverside, 67. Rosedale, 68. Savage, 66. Towson, 66. Woodlawn, 66. And White Marsh, 67. So as you can see, we're mostly on the 60s, except Ocean City. And we're on mostly cloudy where you live in Maryland, because it's cloudy outside. So, like I said, 60s in Maryland where you live, except Ocean City. And we're on mostly cloudy. So average high, 80 degrees, average low, 68, average high is 80, average low, 58, record high, 97 degrees, 1991, record low, 40 degrees, 1989, rainy days, 10 days, rainfall, 4.49 inch, sunshine, 7 hours a day, and sea temp, 64 degrees. Sunrise, 7 a.m., sunset, 6:55 p.m. And you can see the moon phase. So today it's going to be mostly cloudy. Yeah, in Maryland where you live, it's going to be 74 degrees, mostly cloudy, and on 67 degrees, cloudy as well. So 9 a.m. it's going to be coming up, it's going to be on the 60s, and then 11 a.m. it's going to be on the 70s. And then 7 p.m. is going to go back to 60s. So today is going to be mostly cloudy around 74. And tomorrow is going to be 76 degrees, partly sunny. So here's your rest of the forecast. So on Tuesday, it's going to be light rain with 73 degrees. Wednesday is going to be 62 degrees, cloudy. 67 degrees on Thursday is going to be partly sunny. Friday is going to be partly sunny around 62 degrees. Saturday is going to be mostly sunny around 61 degrees. Sunday is going to be partly sunny around 62. Monday, the following Monday, is going to be 63 degrees, partly sunny. And then Tuesday is going to be 60 degrees, partly sunny. Now let's break it down. So let's break it down. The only rain we're going to have is Tuesday. Alright. And so sunny, mostly sunny around Saturday. Thursday, Friday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday going to be partly sunny, mostly sunny. Monday is going to be tomorrow around 76. And the only clouds we're going to have is Wednesday.